happen. I am a pony in the zony. Amazing what a little peace and quiet can do.
What are you doing, Pipp?
Hey, Everypony! Just cutting together my Maretime Bay Day vlog.
Gasp!
It was so special. I just wanted a way to remember it forever. Plus, it'll be great for my ponygram. Check it out. I got bloopers. Huh? Behind the scenes.
I regret nothing.
I even caught the moment Earth Ponies got their magic.
Nice one, sis.
Whoa, so it's kind of like making a daisy chain. But instead of daisies, it's weird talking picture squares.
Right, but it kind of took me all day to put together, so just be...
So many memories! This? Oh, this!
Seriously, you're gonna press...
Files erased.
the delete button.
Don't worry, I know how to fix this. More typing.
Files gone forever.
Even more typing?
Izzy, no!
I'm so sorry, Pipp. My hoof slipped, and then the button slipped, and then the picture square slipped into the trash, and I just...
It's okay. We'll just do it again next year. No worries. Totally fine. I'm just gonna take a nap. Ow, it hurts. You can come in.
Hey, look, it's me, Pipp, the most iconic Pegasus in Maretime Bay, with a song in my heart and a sparkle in my eye.
And did someone order a giant strawberry ripple smoothie with Pegasus wings?
Or how about a cheer-up dance?
Thanks, ponies. But none of this is gonna bring back Maretime Bay Day.
Bring back Maretime Bay Day. That's it! Everypony, follow me. Sunny, hit the shower first.
Yay.
Pipp, come out into the garden. We've got something to show you.
I'm clearly a little busy building a sandcastle.
Come on, trust me.
Look, unless you've recreated Maretime Bay Day in the garden. Oh, you've like totally recreated Maretime Bay Day in the garden!
Surprise!
It's perfect! Oh, wow, so many feels. How did you do all this?
Well, we had pretty great material to guide us.
Here, so you can refilm it.
Thanks, Zipp. But you know, I think I'd rather just enjoy an amazing time with my even more amazing friends. 1, 2, 3, hit it! Hey!
Try something new, take a chance, just believe it. Let out your light, shining bright, can't you see it? Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa. Try something new, take a chance, just believe it. Let out your light, shining bright, can't you see it? At Main Melody, hey, at Main
You exploded into a pile of...
Glitter! 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 Glitter!
Ugh, don't you ponies know what time it is?
Wait, what?
All this glitter is drying out my mane!
Sorry, Everypony. My alicorn magic has a mind of its own. I can't control it. Maybe you need a magic word? Something to help bring out your inner alicorn.
How about a catchphrase? Like, wing it or let's fly. Oh, I know. Alicorn it up.
Alicorn it up?
That might need some work. You're not gonna fly very far with those wings.
Ugh! Izzy's right. I can't help any pony like this.
Don't worry, Sonny. All you need is a new look. A makeover fit for an alicorn. We are going to need highlights, lowlights, hoof glitter, hoof polish, a facial, and a curl.
You don't mean...
Oh, I do. The works.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bring that tail right through the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're not leaving here till you feel great. Shine bright. Sparkling glow. Flick the flame with a flow like whoa. Vibe. You're on it. You're a brand new pony, so flaunt it.
Et voila!
I don't think it worked.
Whoa, Pipp. You're good. Do me next.
Look on the bright side. At least the mane covers those tiny wings.
No. This is about more than a mane. It's about inspiration. And nothing inspires quite like a little danger. A bit of danger will totally trigger your alicorn abilities.
I don't know about this, Zipp.
What am I looking at? Are you sure? This looks fun! Impossible? You'll do great.
Here, let's get that mane out of your face. There, much better. It'll do.
Ready, set, go!
Sonny, are you all right? Your poor mane. Zipp, what were you thinking?
This is the best alicorn yet.
We just need better transformation words. How about hoof-tastic, manerific, cantalagatosis?
A new alicorn outfit would totally do the trick. Maybe a few accessories?
Maybe if I add fire to the obstacle course. Sonny, what do you think?
Aha.
That was a complete disaster.
Figured I'd find you here. Pipp told me what happened. You okay?
Every pony else seems to be growing so fast. I just feel stuck.
You helped every pony believe in magic. Now it's time to believe in your own magic, Sonny. And here.
Thanks, Hitch. If only it were that simple. Oh no, the fools! Come on, Sonny. You can do this. Those fools need you. I did it! Now if I can just figure out how to turn off the glitter.
Get ready for the ultimate Maretime Bay Tour!
I can't wait. Doors. Ooh, I'm gonna see this, and I'm gonna see that, and I'm gonna see... Total darkness.
Izzy!
I thought all the unicorn traps were disabled. Note to self, check traps first.
A little help here?
The release button isn't working.
Then how are we gonna get her out? Fine. This will be fun. I've never been a box before.
But I planned the tour with stops I knew each of you would love. Izzy can't do a tour in a box.
Ooh, you just gave me an idea. Is it levitating? Did I do it? Am I a levitating box?
This is ridiculous. You can't even see.
But I can use my imagination.
Tour's canceled.
Huh? Wait, Hitch, look!
Okay, fine. Right this way. Our tour begins with the Maretime Bay Town Square. Last stop, the beach.
Wow.
I thought you'd love this, Izzy.
I do love it, Hitch. My favorite place in all of Maretime Bay. We're looking at a parking meter, right? Oh, I love those things.
That is it. We have to get Izzy out of there now. Will nothing open this adorable cube prison?
Don't you ever give up, Hitch. We just gotta think. Me and you, Pony and Box.
Oh, Izzy!
Izzy! You have got to be kidding me. My perfect tour. Ruined!
Hey there, Hitchy Poo. What's wrong, buddy?
This tour was supposed to show you that Maretime Bay is an amazing place to live.
Hitch, mission accomplished.
Huh?
We just had a blast. And it's all thanks to you.
Yeah, I've always wanted to see the Louvre. It's like a totally famous museum.
And how cool was that ropes course? I'm definitely going to check that out.
So, you all like Maretime Bay?
We love it!
I feel more at home
Best
now.
tour I've ever been on. Seriously.
See, Hitch? When something doesn't go to plan, you just have to wait for it. Think outside the box!
That is so funny. Because I'm inside a box.
Outside the box! Aha!
I'm a unicorn again! We made some good memories, though. Didn't we, Box? Now I can take the real tour.
Right this way, and you'll see.
Clear for landing, Team Pegasi. It's just a little sports day, ponies. No need to show off.
All of Equestria's a stage, Sonny.
Hitch, light the lanterns! Lanterns? No, Hitch!
Roger that. Lantern's lit.
Wait, Hitch! Oh no.
Did you say, oh, go?
Izzy, no!
Go?
No!
You heard her, Team Unicorn! Go, go, go!
3 o'clock.
Bro! Ah!
Every pony take cover!
Are we ready to begin?
Look out!
Ah!
I'm so sorry. This was supposed to be the best day ever, and
It's okay, Sonny. No harm done. Maybe a little harm done. With all of Equestria competing for the first time, this is a big job. How you doing?
I'm okay!
Not you, Thunder.
Even for a queen, it would be a lot to handle alone.
I'm the alicorn. I've totally got this. Let the Equestria Games begin! Motherfucker!
Stop! Flying against rules!
On your marks, get set!
The rules never said our boat had to be in the water. I should know.
I read them 17 times.
Maybe if the unicorns controlled their oars better.
We controlled them fine, actually, until we didn't.
I need an emergency restyling! Ah!
Uh-oh! Our magic!
This was supposed to unite us. The pipsqueaks can't see me like this.
Don't worry, Everypony. Sunny always has a plan. Right, Sunny? Huh?
Being a leader's tough, isn't it? Every pony thinks we have all the answers.
All these different ponies together, it's easy to get under each other's hooves. You and your friends must be the same.
Sometimes, I guess. We're all so different. It can be hard. But when we work together and listen to each other, all our differences become strengths.
Kind of like a team.
Ponies! Ponies! These games aren't about winning. They're about celebrating our differences and working together.
What happened?
Over? I don't get it. What's going on?
From now on, each team will be a mix of all pony kind. A representation of the unity that makes Equestria so great. Let the games re-begin. Of the first All Equestria Games is No Pony! Every team won one contest, so it's a tie.
Oh, yeah!
I suppose it makes sense. The first Equestria Games.
And all of Equestria has won. Together. Well done, Sonny.
Can we go play now?
Lives! My monster lives! It's Dragon Stallion's monster!
I'm only gonna say this once. Who
took my sunglasses! Everypony, follow me.
Love what you've done with the place, sis.
Whoa, that's intense. Let's start with our first pony of interest. What do you say, Hitch? Remember this morning at the beach, Sheriff?
Another bright, sunshiny day in Maretime Bay. Too bad I left my sunglasses back at the station. I'll just steal yours, Zipp! Objection! That is not what I said! Another bright, sunshiny day in Maretime Bay. Sure wish I hadn't left my sunnies back at the station.
Back at the station, really?
Mm-hmm. Although, I don't need sunglasses to see the problem with your theory.
I like that. That was good.
Okay. What about you, Pipp? I get it. We're sisters, Pipp. And you borrowed something without asking. Just give them back and we'll forget it ever happened.
Why would I take your sunglasses, Zipp? They're so not my style.
Remember? Function over fashion? You were so excited to show off your
Brand new Automatic shampoo and shine. A perfect do in 2 minutes. I think I got it in my eyes! Quick, give me your sunglasses!
But you said they were so last season.
Sometimes, Zipp, you've got to take function over fashion. Never tell any pony I said that. I borrowed your sunglasses one time in an emergency. But why would I steal them? I have plenty of my own.
Well, what about you, Sonny? Making smoothies all day in the sun, you must need... Right. That only leaves... Izzy? Of course! All that measuring. Making sure that my sunglasses would fit you before you stole them!
No. Zipp, see, I mean, the thing actually, distracted!
Izzy, stop! Whoa! End of the line is nowhere left to try. We can do this the easy way or the...
Here you go, Zipp. I hope you like it.
For me? Incredible!
I didn't take your sunglasses, Zipp, I swear. I was taking your measurements so I could make these for you. Any good detective has super fancy gadgets.
Ooh, thanks, Izzy. Cool. Ew, gross. Best gift ever, Izzy. I love them. Guess I found them. Sorry.
I can fix those.
Amateur.
You've got to be kidding me.
But that was fun, right? Right?
And perfect! Breakfast of champions. Every pony needs a hearty meal before a busy day. Ponies family breakfast.
Sorry, Sonny. Gotta rush.
Good pancakes, Sonny!
They're we gonna get with the garden tools?
You can't deal with that on an empty stomach.
There's no time!
Good luck!
Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Excusez-moi. Can't believe I missed your pancakes this morning, Sunny. But main melody is toad slammed. Okay, later. Bye.
Laters. Everyone is so busy. It feels like we're drifting apart. Turn it around. There we go. Hey, ponies! I know every pony's got a lot going on, but we can't forget to make time for each other. Who's up for a hike to Prancing Point? Don't forget! They forgot.
Oh, forgot what?
Phew! I thought no pony was coming. Aw, you're the only one who remembered, Izzy.
Remembered? Oh, yes! Totally, nothing slips out of this brain. Nope, did not forget. No way.
And you brought a trailer full of rocks on the hike?
Ooh, they're gemstones. And okay, I did forget. But I'm here now.
That's all that matters. Prancing Point, here we come.
Sunny, we're so sorry! Sunny? Sunny!
Izzy's not here either. Well, maybe they're together?
Let's hope so. It's getting late and they should have been back ages ago. Something's not right.
Don't worry, Hitch. We're totally gonna find them.
Izzy!
Sunny!
Sunny! Izzy!
Did you hear that? Something is out there. I can smell it.
It's just your imagination. There's nothing out there. I heard that. Come on, let's go the other way. Hitch, I'm telling you, this is the fastest way home.
Agree to disagree.
It's kind of spooky out here, right? I love it.
Levitate your hooves in the air. Earth ponies don't clean their underwear.
Izzy? I think it might be time for some new lyrics. See? This is all I wanted. Good old-fashioned quality time. Let's eat.
Instead of Sunday dinners, we have sunny day dinners. Get it? Do you got totally a thing now.
That's it. I've got it. Raise your hooves up high and bring together all pony kind. Hey!